Hi guys, this is Affiliate Valley and me, Alex, its editor-in-chief. If you're new to our channel, this is a place where we publish videos about all things affiliate marketing, working with traffic and making money online through skills and traffic spills, through your tears, blood and sweat. Experienced affiliates will know what I'm talking about. At our website, Affiliate Valley, we are posting news on affiliate marketing, success stories of famous affiliates, interviews with experts and rising stars of the industry, and of course, we write very detailed, absolutely independent, super exhaustive guides on working with traffic. And also we write reviews of advertising platforms, affiliate networks, and various useful tools for affiliate marketers. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have lots of really cool content coming right up. And check out affiliatevalley.com. The link will be in the description of this video. The topic of this video is finding a job in affiliate marketing. We are not a very big team, so I'm the person responsible for communication with our audience through Facebook and through emails that are specified on our website. You can find it also in the description. And this is a question that people ask us very often. How do I find a job? How do I start in affiliate marketing? How do I get employed by an affiliate team? And since those people have probably Googled before asking an online media that question, that means that they haven't found much. So we decided to record a detailed video on how to find a job in affiliate marketing. A very important question here is, what is affiliate marketing? Actually, it's an umbrella term which includes lots of various types of activity, each of which is referred to as affiliate marketing. So like, this person is doing affiliate marketing. This person is also an affiliate. This person is also an affiliate. They all are in affiliate marketing. They can be referred to as affiliates, but actually their jobs are absolutely different. It's like, imagine the situation, all fruits in the world would be called an apple. So the job that offers maximum flexibility, higher payouts in shorter time is actually reselling traffic. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. So what are the challenges here? Why people can't find these jobs easily? First of all, it's the lack of knowledge. This niche, the CPA marketing, the affiliate marketing, is full of buzzwords. It's full of terms, which if you don't understand, it's going to be impossible for you to navigate all the online information that you find. So this is one of the major issues. The second challenge is that to start in affiliate marketing, you often need a starting budget. And not all people can afford that. The last challenge is that sometimes for an affiliate marketing job, you have to actually be in the office with the rest of the company. So that's not always possible. So we are looking for flexibility in having a remote position. Reselling traffic gives this opportunity. The perks of doing this job are multiple. First of all, the niche of reselling traffic is full of very lucrative sub-niches, for example, like gambling or dating or crypto. They all require experience to work with them, but still there is lots of money to be made there. Second big plus is that there are lots of niches that are beginner-friendly, for example, sweepstakes. And the last perk is that there is an abundance of information online on pretty much any topic involved in the matter. So how do you find a job as a traffic reseller? First of all, it's online communities. Online communities these days are very strong. There are lots of professionals there from all levels of expertise. There are lots of representatives of big companies, of advertising networks, and there are lots of reps of affiliate teams. This is what you're aiming at. People share knowledge, they ask questions, they organize meetups. This is a place where you can post your job offering. Say, I'm a beginner affiliate, I want to start in this business. How can I find a job? Or guys, I need a job. I can do this, this, and this. One of the strongest sub-branches of these online communities is Telegram chats. There are lots and lots of chats on Telegram about different sub-niches of affiliate marketing and specifically about reselling traffic. The links will be in the description of this video, and also we will publish a master post, like a text version of this video, and you can find all the links there. One of the key factors of success in this industry is networking. You always have to know people, you have to find people, and the best way to do it is by attending affiliate marketing conferences. There is an abundance of conferences on doing digital business, doing online business. For example, Affiliate Summit or Affiliate Grand Slam, which was hosted in Dubai. By the way, guys, we're going to be posting lots of very interesting interviews from AGS very soon, so subscribe. So speaking of conferences, you never know when you're going to meet the person who's going to make a drastic change for your career. Maybe it's going to be a rep of an advertising network, or maybe a super affiliate who's willing to share their knowledge. People like to be helpful, and conferences are made for that, where you can like chit-chat, mingle with people who are proficient in the industry. This is your place to be. If you don't have conferences near you, find local meetups, get engaged with the community, self-organize. So this is very important that you attend places where people like this are. The third place to find a job as a traffic reseller is very stupid, but it actually works. Just Google. There is a bunch of career websites that post job offerings for affiliates. Very often affiliate teams are ready to invest in their employees, even in beginners. They are willing to share the tools, they are willing to share the skills, they will help you in the beginning if you're willing to invest your time, if you have something to offer. This is a very important point, which we're going to talk about next. The last but not least, a very important point, what you need to actually get the job. So first of all, you need to have basic professional soft skills, like integrity. Don't be a douche. Nobody likes that. Second, honesty. Don't lie about your skills or professional experience. People will find it out and you're gonna look stupid. Third, it's punctuality and being strong in your word. If you are saying something, you have to deliver. Otherwise, don't take responsibility which you cannot manage. And I would sum it with just be responsible. Everybody likes working with grown-ups, so be one. The second very important point here is basic knowledge of the industry. You have to navigate in terms. You have to know what you are doing. So learn at any opportunity that you get. For example, read online media, such as ours, or subscribe to webinars. Pretty much any advertising network or affiliate network, when they're doing content marketing, they publish webinars and lots of useful materials on how to work with them. This is your place to go. Read, learn, subscribe to courses. People are sharing content willingly in this niche, especially if they are interested in you working for them. So learn at any opportunity that you get. It's very important. And the last point is practice. Practice makes perfect. If you want to enter the traffic reselling business, you have to try doing something yourself. How to do that, how to start in the niche, how to find an advertising network, how to find your first offer. These are all buzzwords, but actually it's not that hard to get into. For example, you go to any advertising network, you follow the guidelines there, and you just launch your first campaign. Then you will see what skills you're lacking. You will see the gaps in your knowledge, and you will know where to go next. That's pretty much it. There are no secrets here, just like anywhere else. You just learn, you try, you fail, and you try again and again and again and again, up until you reach success. Good luck and subscribe.